If you've ever felt like no one really gets what you're going through right now, you have found the right place. You are not alone in this, whatever this happens to be. Someone is here who genuinely cares about what happens to you. I'm not here to lecture you or to diagnose you. I'm simply here to listen and to help you walk through it. The hard times and the better times, both of them, all of it. Hello, brave friend. This is the listening place, a place built for you, where we have real talk. I give you real tools, things that you can actually use in real life. Every episode you can come back to, whether you're struggling at midnight to fall asleep or when a friendship feels like it's falling apart. If you don't really know who you are yet, or if you need someone to remind you that you do matter. This chair, this room, this is where we do this. I've been there. I know what it feels like to need someone and not know where to turn to. I built this channel for you. I didn't build it for views or likes. It's for the individual watching this video at this exact moment. There were things I needed to hear as a teenager that nobody said to me. That's why I'm here saying them to you. I know what it feels like to need someone as a teenager and have no one. I don't want that to be your story. I want to be that person for you. There are new episodes posted every Friday. I'll be here. We are excited to welcome you to the listening place.